Good morning, dear children. In our previous classes, we have learned about synthetic fibers, types of synthetic fibers, and characteristics of synthetic fibers. Today, we are going to study about an important topic, that is plastic. You are familiar with many plastic articles used every day. Plastic can be shaped in any form. It can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets, or made into wires. That is why it finds such a variety of uses. Plastic is also a polymer like the synthetic fiber. There are two types of arrangement of monomer units in plastic. In some plastic, it is linear, whereas in others, the monomers are cross-linked instead of the linear arrangements. Plastics are usually classified into two major categories. Let's take two commonly used examples. One is the handle of a frying pan, while other is a simple bottle. What will happen when we heat the two? Yes, the bottle will melt with no time. But the handle will just heat up with no physical change. Can you tell me why? If both are plastics, then why is there so much difference? That is because the two are different types of plastics. The first one, which makes up the handle, is called the thermosetting plastic, while the other type is referred to as the thermoplastic. Looking at their behavior towards heat, can you tell me the basic difference between the two? That's correct. Thermosetting plastics are those which do not melt on heating. While manufacturing the particular article, when the plastic is casted into molds, it takes up the form permanently. It cannot be remolded later. The two most commonly used examples of thermoplastics are melamine and bakelite. And where are they used? Melamine is known to withstand high amount of heat. It is therefore used in making floor tiles and fabrics which resist fire. Bakelite, on the other hand, is used in making handles of kitchen utensils and switches, as it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. So that's about thermosetting plastic. What could be the properties of thermoplastic? In contrast to the thermosetting type, it can be molded or simply melted on heating. Thermoplastic can be easily bent. and gets deformed on heating. Do you know any such type used daily? Yes, polythene and PVC are the most common ones. Where do we use polythene? Yes, right from bags to the adhesive tapes. Polythene is used in various forms. And then what is PVC? PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. PVC comes in two distinct forms. The first one is hard or rigid PVC. This hard or rigid PVC is used in making strong structures like construction pipes. In contrast, the other type is soft PVC, which is used for making containers and bottles. So that's all about the two different types of plastics.